All right, these are the OBX long tube headers for the Camaro 3.6 liter, only 2010, 2011 because they changed it and you can't put headers on 2012 plus V6 3.6 liter Camaros. And they come with gaskets, which usually headers don't come with gaskets. Hooker never sends you gaskets. They come with the clamps because, and those are O2 extenders. I had to buy those separate. And it comes with, each side has a, like kind of an extension with the second O2 sensor bung in it, as well as a resonator. So that's these guys here. This is the resonator. That's the extension with the second O2 bung in, or yeah, second O2 bung in it. And this is them together. And of course they go on like that. And then you got your extender with your second O2. First O2 is over there. And then you got your resonator there. So it's a really monstrously long deal because my C7 Corvette has long tube Hooker black card headers on there, and they're like not even half the length of these guys because the Corvette's so low to the ground and you really can't have these things hanging like that. Camaro has a lot more space on it apparently. Now this is what you get, and we're going to be putting these on tomorrow, so I'll put up some clips, sound clips, what it looks like on there, maybe some install stuff. We'll see about that, and check back in tomorrow, or probably Saturday or Sunday. Check back in Saturday or Sunday, and we'll have some sound clips up. Again, these are going on the 2011 Camaro RS 3.6 liter, the V6. It already sounds super loud if you listen to any of my other clips of the Camaro exhaust, but it's going to be probably pretty ridiculous once all this stuff is on there. So see you guys later.